The OBDPEAK K2 Pro 11.3 inches car DVR is a versatile and feature-packed device designed to enhance your driving experience. With its dual systems, Carplay and Android Auto, this device seamlessly integrates with your smartphone, offering a wide range of functionalities. The addition of a dual-lens setup ensures comprehensive coverage, with a front 4K to 1.6 camera and a rear 1.08 camera, capturing every detail on the road. The 10.6-inch ultra-wide-angle touchscreen provides a clear and smooth display, making it easy to view critical details like license plates and road signs. For those who prefer an even larger display, the upgraded 11.3-inch screen offers a more immersive experience, ideal for navigation and other functions. One of the standout features of the OBDPEAK K2 Pro is its multiple functionalities. Beyond its primary role as a dash cam, it serves as a GPS navigator, Bluetooth phone, and audio player. The device supports both wireless and wired connections for CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of smartphones. The inclusion of a GPS module allows for precise tracking, displaying speed, coordinates, and tracks, which can be crucial for both navigation and record-keeping purposes. This feature is particularly useful for those who need detailed playback information for various reasons, including legal or insurance purposes. Audio quality is another area where the OBDPEAK K2 Pro excels. The device is equipped with a multi-chip audio output mode, ensuring high-fidelity sound whether you choose wireless Bluetooth, FM output, or a wired AUX connection. This makes it an excellent choice for those who prioritize audio quality during their drives. Additionally, the device supports AirPlay and Android wireless mirror, allowing you to mirror your smartphone's screen for added convenience. The OBDPEAK K2 Pro also offers practical features for everyday use. The in-app video download and real-time viewing capabilities allow you to easily export and share footage, whether for social media or insurance claims. The full-screen reversing feature enhances safety by automatically activating the rear camera when you reverse, providing a clear view of the road behind you. For those concerned about vehicle security, the 2-for-H parking monitoring feature is a valuable addition. By connecting the parking monitoring power cable to your car's fuse box, the device remains dormant when the car is off but quickly wakes up to record any abnormal vibrations. This ensures that any potential threats to your vehicle are captured, providing an added layer of security without draining your car battery.